Hey guys, what's up? I'm back. This time I'm outside of my house. It's very creepy out here. I've been hearing noises out here every night so far this week. So I decided to come out and do a little exploring so I can find anything. So, wish me luck. Here I go. Okay. Wow. Let's see. Whoa, it's really quiet. What was that? Guys, I just heard something. Wish me luck, I'm going to check it out. I don't see anything. Freaking jump. What was that? Guess it's legit. Something just came up behind me. Shut up, cat. I gotta get some better lights. I can't hardly see anything out here. I'm not gonna stay back here anymore. It's creeping me out. So I'm gonna head back around the front here. Dang, I was hoping I'd be able to see it. There's again. Okay. Guys, let me know if you hear or see anything down in the comments below, okay? What the heck? What the? Oh, get the heck out of me. Cats. Place is very spooky. The cats have been acting crazy too as well. So I'm trying to figure that part out. Guys, let me know if you want to see more of this. Make sure you put it in the comments below. Did you see me, guys? This place is getting creepy. I don't know what the cat's fighting, but it doesn't sound good. Guys, my flash was legitimately flashing here. It wasn't doing it before. Okay, let's see. I still hear someone walking by me. What is that? Sound like kids. But there's no kids in sight. Oh well. Keep my eyes out. What the? I don't know how much longer I can stay out here. Oh, it is kids. Oh well. Oh well. Alright guys, peace out. I'm heading. This place getting creepy. Love y'all.